Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes. Please excuse me. There, that's better. Sorry, my dog right there fell off my bed, but so I had to fix it, and I thought it was very distracting having him lean over the bed. Anyway, today in this video, I'm going to tell you guys a story about how somebody rudely sneezed on me and Jocie. For those who don't know who Jocie is, she is my best friend. She has appeared on my YouTube channel many, many times. She watches my videos, and I know how much a lot of you guys are fans of Jocie. You see her a lot on YouTube. You would see her a lot on YouTube. And she has appeared in many of my videos. So I'm going to tell you guys a story about how I was on the bus with her one day, and this person was being rude and sneezed on us, and he didn't even cover his mouth. So this is a story just to let you guys know, if you have to sneeze, always remember to sneeze in your elbow. Or if you can't just in case you can't get to your hand, but if you can, just try to cover it with your hand as much as you can. And it's just to prevent germs and from spitting on other people. So I'm gonna get started, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you learn how important it is not to sneeze on people. So this all started, I'd say about maybe 11 years ago. This was when I was on a bus with Jocie. I think we were coming back from an outing. I can't remember where the outing was. And we were with some friends and a couple supervisors because we were with the day program. We are heading back from an outing, and as we get on the bus, we are heading back from a really long day. We were all kind of like tired, but we had a lot of fun where we were at. I think we were at like a park or something, or where did we go? Did we go on a Bart trip? I can't remember where we went that day. And all of a sudden this person sits behind us. I don't know who he was, but I think he was from a different program. And his name was Sneeze. I just gave him the name Sneeze because he sneezed on us. And this was way before COVID. And all of a sudden, we're sitting in front of Sneeze, and he's like in his 20s or something, I don't remember. And as we're sitting on the bus, Jocie and I are just minding our own business, just having a nice conversation. Then all of a sudden, this person just doesn't cover his sneeze. Sneeze doesn't cover his mouth and just goes, achoo! And he just sneezes right on me and Jocie. And Jocie and I are all like, we were kind of like grossed out, and we were not too happy with that. So the Sneeze's supervisor has a chat with him and tells him, next time you need to cover your mouth, blah, blah, blah. That's not okay to sneeze on people. So I start wiping my arm off. I try to do it without him looking so I don't hurt his feelings. And Jocie starts like wiping her arm off so she doesn't, because she's like grossed out too. And all of a sudden, as the bus makes a quick stop, and once the bus stops, Sneeze is about to get off, and then he apologizes for sneezing on us. And Jocie and I are like, that's okay. We were just super nice about it because we knew he didn't mean to do it on purpose. And we explained to him how maybe you should just cover your mouth ahead of time or use your elbow just in case you can't get to your hand. And he's like, sure, I'll try that. Thank you for your help. And he was really, really nice. I knew he didn't mean to sneeze on us, even though I was a little irritated. I knew it was just an accident just because he just didn't have enough time to reach for his elbow or hand. And so he gets off the bus. Josie's happy. And then I tell her it was just an accident and he didn't mean to do it. And she understood as well, too, when I explained to her how he didn't have time to reach for his arm or hand. And she's like, he still should have like thought ahead of time, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, I understand, but it's like not a lot of people remember to do it in time. And she pretty much understood. So then after Sneeze got off the bus, we pretty much just forgot about it and just had a nice conversation about maybe movies or something. I don't remember what we were talking about that out on the bus, but I managed to get Josie's mind off the person who sneezed on us by just changing the subject and talking about whatever, whether it was a movie, something funny, our animals, or whatever it was. We were just talking about any of those things because I wanted to get her mind off of the person who sneezed on us. So the moral of the story is, if you're in public, especially now because of the pandemic, you should always be mindful when you have to sneeze. Like, if you have to get an urge to sneeze in your hand or in your elbow. Don't just sneeze randomly, because you're going to spread your germs on other people, and that's not a good thing. And it's really rude and disrespectful when you sneeze on other people. And even if you don't have enough time to reach, do your best to sneeze in your arm or your hand, because even if you have a feeling your sneeze is going to come out, excuse me. Sorry, just an interruption. Anyway, even if your sneeze comes out, you should always be really, really careful and just be mindful, because there are some people who have very sensitive immune systems. Like, anytime you sneeze on someone else, your germs can get passed on to that person and they can get sick easily, especially someone who is going through chemo. You easily can get them sick, so always be mindful when you sneeze. So that was a story about how somebody rudely sneezed on me and Jocie. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.